Figma to Wix. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to Figma.com. Select your project by clicking on it. And once inside the workspace, copy the project URL by clicking the share button at the top right screen and click copy link. Next, open your browser again and go to Wix.com. Inside the Wix workspace, click the Wix logo at the top left, hover over the Tools menu, and select Import from Figma. Paste the link you copied earlier and click Connect. After that, return to Figma and hover down to the Plugins section at the bottom. In the search bar, type Figma to Wix Studio and select the top result. Click the Run button to launch it, then choose Get Started. Check all the listed requirements and proceed by clicking Next. Once you're ready, select Start Export and choose Export Frame. Now go back to Wix and click the Figma icon located at the bottom left of the workspace. From there, select the frame you exported and then finalize by clicking Add to Site.